Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I'm here today with 4 great ideas for decorating for summer. And most of these ideas are really easy to put together, and they use mostly items from the dollar store. So the first thing I like to do is decorate my tiered tray. This is something my mom gave me. I change up the decor for the seasons. So for summer, I went with a white and yellow and green theme for summer colors. I got this little wooden birdhouse at the dollar store. I painted it yellow, added some contact paper to the top that kind of looks like wood. I found this little jar at the dollar store. I filled it with yellow and white buttons. I had this little vase filled with flowers from the dollar store. I took some scrap wood and I made this little book stack that says "Squeeze the Day" I added some little leaves that look like lemon leaves to this top. So just kind of go with a cohesive color scheme, fill the tray, move the stuff around and see how it goes. So the second idea is this one, and this one is so easy. What I did was I designed this print, which you can download for free. I'll leave the link in the description. I took the picture frame, which was a plastic picture frame, and painted it yellow and popped the picture in, and it's a really cute piece of decor. I also have a bunch of these little garland things. I just kind of stuck that on there, just add it, but you could just leave it plain. So the third idea that I have is this serve yourself lemonade stand, and my kids love this one. It's so fun and so easy. I took a picture frame from the dollar store. Instead of putting a picture in it, I put a piece of yellow scrapbook paper. I added some wooden balls to the bottom, just with some glue. I used a combination of wood glue and hot glue just to make it nice and sturdy. And then fill it with things that will let the kids or your guests serve themselves lemonade. I got this pitcher at the dollar store. It's really cute. These little glasses from the dollar store with lemons on them. I got this little candy jar at the dollar store, but just to make it fit in, I spray painted the top, which I really like. And I just added a little liquid mix for making lemonade. So this is really fun. I often do hot chocolate bars in the winter for my kids or candy trays, but now with this lemonade stand, it's perfect for summer. So the very last thing is a little flower arrangement. So this is one of the tins from the dollar store. There are tons of these in all different styles. Pick one that you like. I put a piece of craft foam on top, covered it with some moss, and then I just inserted some flower stems. I kind of snipped them off the bunch that you get at the dollar store and pop them in one at a time, but I think it looks really cute and really cheerful for summer. So this is my hallway table. It has all of these things on it. I think it looks great all together. It's cohesive, the same color scheme, nice and bright and cheerful, and it's a great way to greet guests or just to enjoy as a family. So I hope you like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Really helps my channel. Hit subscribe if you want more content like this. I'm always sharing DIYs and recipes and activities for families. So let me know what you think. And if one of these is your favorite, leave it below in the comments. Thanks, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.